Good morning. We're going to try that again. We're in Venice Beach. Came over last night for wife's birthday. She wanted to have dinner with our daughters tonight. So jumped in the car. 5 hours. Actually, last night it was a lot of traffic, but usually just 5 hours across I-10. I can drive here just as fast, pretty much as you can fly. So anyway, what's the real estate market doing? Residential, we had a busy week. A lot of paperwork, like I said last couple weeks. Well, a lot of what we do is not sexy. I had pending home sales come out for December. I was surprised it was a little bit low nationwide. It was really low because Scottsdale area, but remember, all the real estate's local. A lot of activity, especially stopped by the office or in the office. There was a lot of contracts being written. And talking to different agents, friends of mine across the country, everybody's pretty busy. So I did see last year 70% of agents did not sell one property. That surprised me a little bit. Let's go out this way. It's a little crowded here. Or it's not crowded, but come on, let's go this way. Ruby's with me. But yeah, it's 70% of the agents didn't sell one property. So be careful who you're talking to. What do we have? Case-Shiller Home Index. It's an all right statistics, but remember, it's a 3-month moving average, and it's 2 months delay because it's 30 to 60 days once you get a house under contract to closing. So we've been busy again. A lot of off-market stuff, and remember, it's not always the price you see. Hey, Ruby, come on. It's not always the price that you see matters. You don't know if they had seller concessions. You don't know if they included a country club membership. We're looking at a lot of that this week. You don't know if they included the Porsche in the garage. So remember, it's not always about the house price. You don't know the fees and a lot of what's going on. So we've been busy. Like I said, a lot of contracts and talking to other agents across the country. They're busy. We had a record 2024. So the national numbers surprise me a little bit, and remember, one neighborhood to the other neighborhood makes a big difference. And again, it's who you know, it's your network, it's what's coming on the market, what's going on in the market. After experience, you can basically tell what's going to sell, what's not going to sell. The agents that just take the listings to put their sign up there. But we do things a little bit different. We dig in. And we want that relationship and communication with our clients, and kind of dig around. If you're just going to go on Zillow, anybody can go online and buy a house, but I don't know. It's you're not going to get the best deal, and if it's sitting on there, it's probably old and stale anyway. So anyway, commercial. Like I said, busy commercial week this week. Trying to get actually 2 clients. Had bought properties a few months ago, trying to figure out how we can rent those properties out. And the businesses are growing, so we seeing how we can get them into new, bigger buildings. Light industrial. I need 15,000 square feet light industrial around the Deer Valley area. Deer Valley Airport, again, they're putting private hangar in there. That's a hot area. Scottsdale Airport's a great asset to the city of Scottsdale. But it's busy and it's expensive to fly into. So Deer Valley Airport's really going after that market. I-17 and 101 there. Small mom and pop retail. It's been busy. And multifamily, we're starting to see those come on. The people, the syndicators, the people who took the weekend class. When rates were low and money was free, it was easy to make the numbers pencil out. Now they don't. You really have to know what you're doing. And right, Rue? And make the numbers pencil out. Commercial side, it's just about the numbers. We work with a couple end users, but for the investment side on commercial, it's really about the numbers. Office market, big office stuff, we don't really do that, but that's coming back and it's getting people excited in the commercial market again. Let's see, economy. Everybody's a rate expert. I worked on the Board of Trade and worked with Ray Dalio for building his interest rate swaps model. Chairman Powell, they held the rates steady. I agree. What did we have? PCE come out this morning, personal consumption expenditures. It was a little warm, shows we're still dealing with inflation, and that's, you know, that should not surprise the Fed board, like Chairman Powell. He knew that number was going to be what that number was. I know for a fact, because when we were on the Board of Trade, we knew some numbers. If you're not in it, it's like real estate or whatever your profession is. You know things that happen. You know the buzz going on. You know things that happen before they hit the news, and that's like stock trading. I would say I get a lot of calls from friends and family. Hey, Mike, what do you think? I heard this stock is going to be good. Well, my response is, if you heard it, it's already been traded on. The money's already been made. So, it's economy is rolling along. Labor is good, and that's really it is what this economy is. It's just the labor right now. I support Donald Trump 100%. However, when he says that he's going to tell the Fed to lower rates, it doesn't work that way. The Fed sets a target rate, and it's just increasing money supply, decreasing money supply. One thing Trump can do is decrease the spending and the fiscal policy of the U.S. Treasury. And I think they're going to do that. They decrease spending. They can decrease the amount of bonds they have to issue. They decrease the amount of bonds they issue. Prices go up, rates come down. So I think that'll help with rates with people. But again, I've said in the past, it's just perspective. We've gotten used to low interest rates, and there's a buyer. Every asset or every loan has an asset as a borrower and a lender. The lender's got to get paid for that risk. There's an uncertainty out there of what's 10, 30 years out. We don't know, and it's just all estimations. So it's all noise. It's fun to look at. I enjoy numbers and the statistics, but really comes down to know what you're doing. Hire the right real estate agent. If it works for you, if you can buy. If you can sell. I believe in owning the real estate rather than leasing strongly. And just be authentic. Like I said, I'm not an influencer. I'm not going to post pretty pictures dancing around your house, but we're here to do the best job we can for our clients, and it's our expertise, our experience, and we know the market, and just being authentic. That's why I do these live. They're not perfect, but you get to know me. Hopefully I get to know you, and we can do business. What was it in the banking industry? It was always know your customer. The banking industry is really strong on know your customer, know who you're doing business with, and hire the professionals that you trust. So anyway, we got some work to do this morning. We're going to run around. I just noticed this one I saw earlier this morning. That's $8.6 million. Not the blue one, the one behind. We're on Venice Beach. Taxes, $131,000 a year. Woo! So an $9 million house in Scottsdale, your taxes are going to be $9 million. Taxes are going to be $35,000 a year. So save $100,000 if you move to Arizona. Anyway, we visit here a lot. My two daughters are here, both of our two daughters. So they're at yoga right now. So we decided to come down and hang out on the beach a little bit and run back and see what's going on. But give me a call. We're here to help. 203-733-5877. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye. Hey, want to be a superstar? Okay, bye.